Do you have many friends?
To be completely candid, I tend to lean towards introversion, so my circle of friends isn't extensive. A handful of true friends is more than sufficient for me. Since my childhood days, I've come to recognize that a select few will genuinely accompany us and share their hearts. As I've grown, I've embraced the notion that the quality of friendships far outweighs their quantity. I seek friends who extend a helping hand when needed, individuals who possess integrity and can be entrusted with confidences, and those who contribute positively to each other's growth. I lack the excess energy or enthusiasm to forge connections with everyone I meet. I'm not interested in befriending those who are quick to judge, meddle, or indulge in gossip. Therefore, my approach to forming friendships is discerning. Authentic friendships aren't just stumbled upon. They require years of mutual understanding and effort to cultivate a bond that's unbreakable. As the saying goes, a true friend is someone who is always there during the highs and lows, and I hold this sentiment close to my heart.
Contact Dr. N in England.